Hey guys, it's Bri.
And Shawn.
And welcome to our YouTube channel. If you liked what you see, please like, comment, share, subscribe below. Maybe ring the bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
This is Willow. Because we're in our home studio, she doesn't like being alone. So she meows the whole time, so if you pick her up, she won't meow.
Today we're going out to Cherry Beach to get some photos of the lifeguard station and some ice.
Lots of ice. I like ice.
Let's go.
Let's go. Look through the eyeglass.
Can I see? Oh, I can't see. Oh, it's amazing. There it is. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah, the 16 was the way to go.
The ice is perfect. It's actually warm today, which is fantastic. It's 1 degree, but the ice is just primo for some photo taking. So we have the Cherry Beach Lighthouse Station just in the back there. Correction, Cherry Beach Lifeguard Station. And there's beautiful ice formations all along the water. So we're actually standing here on the lake itself. It's just not completely frozen over. And then if you come around here, you can see where the waves have crashed over this. I don't even know what this is. Maybe a blown over tree? I don't know. But you can see the beautiful ice formations that it's creating. It just makes for a picture perfect shot.
Whoa!
See, I really want to get into the water because I think that would be a better vantage point. Maybe I'll come back in a day or two with like water shoes, because I think that this photo from the water would be just priceless. But we'll get what we can get right now.
We'll see if I can convince her to take off her shoes.
I'm not gonna take my shoes off. I'm trying to get in between the tiny little branches, but obviously I can post-process it later and just take them out. But that's a lengthy process, and who has the time for that? The light's doing a really cool thing right now. I don't know if you can see in the background, but it's kind of a natural gradient in the background, which is perfect. It's working out really nice for my photos. It's so moody.
All right, we're gonna try it out. We're pretty convinced that that's gonna be a good shot, so we're gonna try it, although we may fail.
I am not brave enough to do it, so Shawn is taking my camera and he's going to do it. There you go. Bombs away.
Oh, you're so white.
It's Canada, man, in winter. What do you expect?
All right, here, pass that to me.
Is that fluff on your butt?
Maybe.
Give you the acting award for the year. That was very dramatic. Beavers? No beavers. It looks like one, but I think it's just, it might be. I think she just called you a beaver.
She did call me a beaver. What's with that?
You kind of look like one, I guess.
I don't look like. How do I look like a beaver?
Look at that quarantine hair.
Quarantine hair. This is a fine mane. A mane like a lion.
She didn't call you a lion.
No, she called me a beaver.
Here you go. Take that.
Thank you.
Let's get some blood flow back into those, babe. I think my toes will live.
So how cold was that water?
Pretty darn cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, my toes were feeling a bit of pain when I got out.
So Shawn's whining about his feet getting cold. Meanwhile, 100 feet beside us, there's a person doing a full-on polar bear dip.
Yeah. Some guy just stripping down into nothing, like diving in the water, having a good old time.
For like a good solid like 10 minutes.
Yeah. I can barely walk in that thing for like 5 minutes, and he's out there just like nothing on, just having the time of his life. I mean, who does that? Right?
I mean, maybe we have to work on are Canadian.
Like, are we bad Canadians?
I don't know. Are we bad Canadians?
We might be. You get this nice shoreline here that runs all the way up to the lifeguard station there, and then you get this beautiful texture and sheets of ice just like this. You put that in your foreground. Lovely.
So fun fact about Cherry Beach is that we rarely come here in the summer. I really only remember this place in the winter. I don't know why. I don't live very far away, but we always think about coming here in the winter. And I think it's kind of magical here in the winter.
You totally just hit me with a piece of ice, man. Yeah. Brizilla strikes again.
Beast Bri.
Beast Bri.
So many birds.
Yeah, particularly swans. Like tons of swans. More swans than I think I've ever seen in one place at one time.
Mute swans, trumpeter swans, all the swans. Diving ducks.
Ducks with their butts in the air.
Constantly just duck butts in the air.
Everybody, butts in the air!
I did get one photo though. There's two swans. One swan's facing the right, one swan's facing the left, and then there's a perfectly placed middle swan with their butt in the air. Very humorous photo. I'm kind of happy about that one. Look at them all.
So many swans. This place is full of all sorts of joys.
Whoop! Doggo! Coming up behind you.
Oh, hey buddy.
Hey bud.
You go for a swim? Oh yeah. Oh, hello.
Oh, look at this cool ship with the city in the background. Let's go take a look.
So check out this shot. This boat. Bri is stuck and she's doing the splits.
Appears that I'm doing some sort of ice ballet.
Oh, is that what that is? That's what you call that?
It's a graceful form of photography ballet on ice.
Henceforth it shall be known as the photography ice ballet.
This is really nice. The swans are putting on a show for me. They have their feathers up and got one with this cool ship. I got the city in the background. I got the swans and I got the ice here. It's a little crooked, so hopefully I can straighten it out. It's a little dark too because it had to be quick because the swans are on the move. But I think it'll work out, guys.
We're fixed focal length, so we're just gonna get what we get and try and move around to frame the shots, but no
Zoom with your legs.
no zooms today. So we'll just you know, happy with what we're getting.
Were you trying to drum with me?
No, was that a drum roll?
How was that for you?
It was pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy your time?
That was great. Yeah, it's funny because it looks like a barren ice wasteland, you know, when you see it in the video. But
We had the best time. Have you ever been to Cherry Beach?
we'd love to hear what you guys thought about Cherry Beach, and if you have any photos, like, please share them. We'd love to see what kind of shots people are getting from there because it's really a lot of stuff to take photos of. That's pretty much it for us. Thanks for watching, and till next time, we'll see you later.